Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today, as you can see, there's trees and stuff because we are
original park.
Yeah, we're in the original park, like known as the Irvine Park and stuff.
Yeah. This dog likes to.
Yeah, so we have her sister's dog who like walking them, trying to. Okay. 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 Yeah. So we're in the Irvine Park. So let's get into the vlog, and we're gonna show you where we're just gonna walk around, and I know that there's like some sort of pet area or something, but anyways, let's get into the vlog and hope you guys will enjoy this. Yeah. So there's actually like enjoying the outdoors. So there's people here with dogs having birthday parties and getting together. People playing like guitars sometimes here too. Yeah. There's even like a, what's it called, like a, almost like a, what's it called, that has all these animals, like almost like a zoo thing.
Oh, zoo,
yeah. There's like a small little birdhouse up there on the tree. You could barely see it, that small little blue thing right there. And there's also these big old giant birds that has these green feathers. I remember that I found one on the floor and I took it home. So we could even walk to with the mountains and stuff, because there's even stairs that you could walk down to, and then yeah, you just go up with the you see what the black dog is at?
Yeah.
You walk through there, and then you go downstairs, and then you could go up in the thing over there. And then over there, I think there's like some sort of petting zoo somewhere over there. So, yeah, that's gonna be fun. This is like our first time being here together as like a couple or together and stuff. So, I don't think there's nothing over here, but we could walk through the grass maybe. Yeah. But, yeah. Like, huh? Yeah. We're just trying to wear him out. Oh, that's another dog. So, this is at least something different instead of like going to Disneyland all the time. So at least this is something different. He's almost like the same breed as Sauchi, almost kind of, but not exactly. Alright, it sounds to get a little windy, but I wanted to bring my jacket, but it's a little too cold, but I'm like too hot right now. I'm gonna fall down flat on my butt, and I'm gonna catch it on camera. So right here's the Irvine Park. And then over here, there's a trail that we could go down, and we could actually walk through all this area. I remember me and my sister And so we went here on this section, and then when we were small, and then my sister almost stepped on a rattlesnake. Yeah, but luckily my mom heard it and saw it, and my mom like stopped her. Yeah. If she didn't, then it could have went downhill. Yeah, so we're trying to find like the petting zoo, because I think the petting zoo is like $2 per person. So going to try to make this vlog like kind of long. So I always want to like rent one of these bikes. That's why me and Catherine could just ride together like all around. But there's more dogs. A lot of people is bringing like their dogs here too for a walk. Watch out. So just trying to find like a petting zoo. But I would love to go on this trail right here with Alchie to actually really wear him out.
Over that corner over there?
Yeah.
Then you can go back that way and make a right going that way.
Of what, to go down here?
No, go up the fucking stairs.
Not really. Like we could just cut through here somewhere and just go straight.
I was making nervous. I
But with Alchie, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so right now Catherine is in the bathroom, and while she's in the bathroom, I'm taking care of this little munchkin. So still walking around. I'm still trying to look for the you okay?
Yeah, my name's Brennan.
Oh. I at first, like for a second, I thought you were crying or something. I was like, you okay?
I'm not crying.
Yeah. Look, it's Catherine. Hey, don't go in there, little perv. All right, well, Catherine's back. So, yeah. Probably after here, we're gonna stay here for a few hours, cause the park does close at 6 o'clock, and we're going to stay here as much as possible to where we're down this little munchkin. Cause at the house he's always hyper. It seems like he always eats bags of candy, like. Yeah, but it seems like he eats like bags of candy like every 5 minutes. And that's why he's so like glitchy, like no, like takes off like a racetrack driver.
He gets free cream every morning.
Huh?
He gets free cream every morning.
Yeah. All right. So do you want to take like a picture right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone last night in the middle of the freaking video. Middle of the picture, you know, I want to know.
Yeah. Well, right here is fine because it's nice and trees and stuff. Okay.
You can do some sticky videos of part of it.
All right. Let me like let you guys go. That's why we could take a picture really quick for the thumbnail.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to take a couple pictures. Yeah. Or do you want to stand on the tree log and then take a picture together? Yeah. Make the picture like look really interesting. All right. So let me let you guys go really quick, okay? Yeah. Catherine is like trying to wear him out, like running with him. We're trying to find where the zoo is. the zoo is at. So I think we need to go upstairs somewhere, I think. I think I know where it's at, I'm guessing. But we're just trying to wear him out. That's why when we do get back to the house, at least he'll like fall asleep instantly. But Catherine and LJ's right over there. You can barely see him. But I think the zoo stuff should be more down there. Oh. But the good thing is that at least I'm getting some exercise. We're all getting exercise. It's because I'm trying to like continue losing weight still. Having fun, Ouchie. Yeah, I think that the zoo should be more over here, not on this side. Yeah. So we're like way over here, but the zoo stuff should be more over there. So we're gonna walk more over here. Yeah. Just trying to wear out this one because he's always hyper. Always hyper. So I hope he's enjoying the park, but at the same time, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Ouchie. He's just eating the grass. Oh, be careful, and there's like a hole right there. So, alright, so let's try to find this zoo area. I think I kind of see it, but I don't know if that's it. Yeah, it's like by going to the zoo, it's like $2 per person. But I don't know if they're going to let dogs in though. But we can check it out though and see if they would or not. But here's the stairs. Okay, let me pick up the camera a little bit more later. Okay, so look how beautiful it is, like with all the shade and trees. So nice. So we're trying to find my car, and that's why we could at least get some water for the dog, because I'm pretty sure it's thirsty. Maybe my car's more over there. Huh? Yeah, because I think my car's more over here. I don't know, but we'll try to find it. Let's see what happens.
Okay, go. Okay.
Okay, I had to need to cut that one part out because, like, I had to like help him like both of the dogs got their leashes twisted and yeah. All right, so we're still gonna try to find the car because I think we're getting closer. So to give the dog some water really quick. I'm pretty sure it's thirsty. Okay, so we gave him some water, and apparently, yeah, apparently this one just jumped inside the car, and I guess he doesn't want to walk no more. He's just refusing to get out of the car. So we decided to take like a small little break for him to like relax for a little bit, and he also drinks water. So we're just going to start walking. They do have like a small little train for small little kids and stuff, and for them to ride around the park. And there's this one place that you could also go horseback riding too. That we're not going to be able to do because, number one, we have the dog, and it's going to be impossible to do that. There you go. Hey, don't go to the bathroom. So we would rent like a two-seater bike, but it's going to be impossible to do that too because we could even walk towards this trail too. Yeah, if you want. And there's a stage, and I think over here is like the zoo over there. Huh? Yeah. But we're gonna walk at this trail, and we might end up seeing these, like some of these big old giant birds and stuff. Hopefully we do, but if we do, I'll try to show you guys these amazing animals that they have here at Irvine Park. There's this. You guys, I don't know if the camera could pick that up, but there's a lot of birds doing like a bird call or something. I don't know. Yeah, but this time I brought the cup. This time because earlier I didn't have the cup, and we tried to give water to him, but this time I have the cup. But, ooh, my goodness. Cool, they had like Christmas lights here too. Ooh, Catherine, I just barely thought of something. Maybe when it hits Christmas again, we could come here on Christmas Day.
Yeah, and maybe we could bring...
Oh my god. Oh my god, this guy broke the chain right on the freaking train tracks. Oh my god, it's like he's trying to burn rubber or something. I'm just gonna wait here until they get done. But yeah. Ooh, oh my god. Yeah, Catherine, it'll be nice if we come here much.
If we do kids.
Yeah. It'll be nicer if we come here a little bit much later at night. Well, not exactly at night, but it'll be nice at night because there'll be Christmas lights and all these lights and stuff.
It's very fascinating the dumb lights. Oh gosh, should have been here. Oh gosh, go up the trail.
Yeah. Alright, so see, watch. But here's the end of the train tracks for the smaller kids to go on. It takes them like a loop.
Yeah.
But it's really fun. Watch. Hold on. Let me guys show you something. Hold on. Look. Here's a pond or a lake or something. But they do have these bikes that goes on the water that you pedal. I went here before when I was a small kid, and I almost lost my flip-flop. No, I actually see like all these ducks. Look at, there's all these ducks like on the pond, like a whole bunch of them.
I feel like ape shit. I'm just going crazy right now.
Well, you can go closer, but not too close to the water if you want. But look, oh my gosh, and there's a big fat one right there, a fat bird. I can't see it, but here, I'll zoom it. There's a fat little bird right there. Oh, not that, but let me see. Right there. Oh my God, ouchie. Yeah, because he sees all these ducks that's on the pond right here. Oh, okay, now I see the zoo stuff. It's like right over there. Yeah. Yeah, walk over there. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. See, look. I'll show you in this bird. No, I'm not trying to, but I want you guys to see like in this bird. Here, I'll zoom, and then you see all these birds, ducks around the lake, whole bunch of them. You couldn't even hear them. Oh my gosh! Look at this is pretty cool. I think they have the horses or like some sort of show that's right here. They have that wheel and stuff. So I think they have the horses on this section. I'm guessing. I don't know. But like just a few seconds ago, there's a train that just went by. I don't know if you guys could really see it, but it's like a small little green train. My gosh, that small little dog. The smaller dog, it's inside that small little stroller. It's just like, it's almost like a Lexus. Oh look, horses and stuff over there. Pony ride, snack bar.
Yeah, it's pony ride.
So, just trying to wear this one out. I just hope that you guys are enjoying this vlog. So, hi. Oh look, there's horses and stuff right here.
I don't know if they're ponies, Dave.
The same thing, horses, ponies. Looks pretty cute. Yeah. What is it, Ouchie? Look. What is that, Ouchie? So, what is it, Ouchie? What's that? Will you play with them? I don't think so. So, okay, we found this trail, so we're gonna walk it for a little bit, and just be very careful because you might find like horse poo poo or like some sort of animals, whatever. You don't have to go up there, Catherine. Yeah, I think it'll be like tiring to go up there. Wait. Oh my gosh. Good luck to me too. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh my god. Ooh. I just barely made it up the hill. Ooh. Lordy Lord. This ain't my thing now. I don't like this no more. But I'm still doing this. You guys are too far away. Oh. Lordy, lordy, lord. Okay. I don't know. Hold on. Catherine. We're already like right here where the ticket booth is at again. Huh?
Hoshi!
Elchie.
Maybe look this way. You could more straight.
Okay, Elchie, let's go. Come on.
Fine.
It's so good, man, Catherine.
Okay.
Sorry for the glare, you guys.
It's okay.
Yeah. Be careful the horse. Yeah, horse stuff. Yeah, well, instead of going down that side, let's go over here. Yeah, much easier. Ooh, that was a workout by going uphill.
Did it.
Yeah. Okay. Be very careful on this side because there's cars that's going to be going back. I hope you guys are enjoying. At least this is something. Oh, ouchie.
Hey man, come on.
Okay. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. At least it's something different than Disneyland. But we are going to. Ouchie! Not in the middle of the road. Alright, you want to start heading home then? Or? I need to go to the bathroom now. Actually, you want to head home? Let's go home. Oh my gosh, once we head home, he's probably going to be pooped.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm a freaking stick. Almost kind of whacked to Elchie.
Okay, little bit guys. Careful. Okay, little here.
I didn't mean to, Elchie. It wasn't my fault. The darn stick.
Yeah.
But anyways, well, sorry. Okay, I think this side will be like this side, like this. That's why the glare will hit the camera. But this is something. But me and Catherine might end up coming back here again. But like we might end up going towards, like we'll still be here, but we might go take a different kind of road.
Yeah.
Like more towards the mountains, if we don't get lost.
Yeah.
But if not, we could still be around here anyway. Whew. But at the same time, it's like a good exercise. I still need to go to the bathroom. Yeah. We're going to head back with the little pony. Is that? My little pony. My little pony. No, actually, I'm not weird. He was giving me the look. But anyway, there goes the birds. Ah. You guys can hear that? The thing that I really wanted to see is like those big old giant birds and stuff like that. But we're gonna head home now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, but we are going to continue this probably when we head to the house. But I'm trying to. There goes the bird. I'm trying to make this vlog as long as possible for you guys. That's why you guys can enjoy. Yeah, we go back over there. So let me just walk to our car. See you guys in a bit.
Okay.
Look, you guys, and I just see the bird up there. See, there it is, right there. See, I knew that I was gonna find a bird like that. That's pretty cool. And the bird's just resting and stuff.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, if you want. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
See, you see, I told you it was like really big with those big old feathers.
Yeah.
It's like up there.
No, I can hear this.
Well, he actually doesn't know, and actually and doesn't know that the big old bird is up there.
I know. Funny.
Look, we end up finding. Catherine pointed this out. We found out another bird right there. It's just standing there. It's those birds that has like those really big old green feathers in the backside. For some reason, I like those birds because it has those big old feathers and stuff. So we're almost towards the car. Almost halfway there. What happened? Oh yeah, there's a car. So yeah, we found the car. So Alchi is really tired now, so we're gonna start heading home. Huh? He probably sees the other dogs, I think. Alright. There's my car right there. It's time to head home. Let's head home, Alchi. I know you're tired. You've been walking for 2 hours. Alright, let's start heading home. But before that, let's see if he wants water or something too. Alright. Alchi. Wrong family. Alright, let's go, guys. Okay, everyone. Well, we already got to the house, but apparently Katherine wants to go come care of the Bray Mall, so we already dropped off the dog. And
He'll do Jimmy's.
yeah, apparently he wasn't even tired still. Oh my god. What a small little lion little dog. But anyways, I'm sure once we left, he was probably sleeping already. But I don't know like how long this vlog is, but I'm just going to like vlog just a little bit because I don't want to like bore you guys with here at the Bray Mall stuff, but like I might still vlog here, but I don't know. But after that, I might probably end it at the house, but let's see what happens. So let you guys go for now. That's why I could eat, and then we're gonna see what else happens. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Okay, hey guys, we're basically back from not only the Irvine Park, we also went to the Bray Mall.
A little bit, yeah.
Just for a little bit, and I didn't want to bore you guys at the Bray Mall.
Yeah.
So after that, we ended up getting some Taco Bell for dinner. So now we're just here at the house now, going to relax for the rest of the day. So if you guys enjoyed, let me know, and that's why I could do more of this kind of vlogs and more different here and there. But we will go to Disneyland on the 8th and also on the 10th.
Right, yes.
So get ready because there's new videos coming out, including this one. Hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to, if you are new, to subscribe and also like, comment, share, and also make sure to watch the vlogs because I'm like very short on watch hours. Not forcing you, but just trying to get that 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, so I'll let you guys go, and we will make new vlogs for you guys that you guys will enjoy, and we will I'll see you guys next time. Bye
Bye
everybody.
for now.
Bye.